I opened Culture Bakehouse 1 week before COVID shut down and really thought that that was the end. Within a week or two, grocery store shelves were empty and people came knocking on the door looking for bread. I'm Amy Davis, and I'm the owner of Culture Bakehouse in Fresno, California. There was a moment when I had been making bread every day for several weeks and realizing that I loved this. Something that should be so simple, but it was complex enough that it felt like a major accomplishment when you get it just right. It is really fascinating to see when you start a business out of your home. The community feels so involved in watching it grow. The farmers market's been a big part of that. They're spending their Saturday morning coming, connecting to their food, connecting to their community, connecting to all the vendors. It creates a really personal relationship. Because we live in the middle of the dairy industry in California, we have access to great fresh milk and creams and butter, and everything we do is done from scratch. One of my favorites that we do is the kouign-amann. The inside is this flaky, buttery pastry, and then you've got the creamy pistachio pastry cream and the roasted strawberries. This amazing symphony of textures and flavors. It's absolutely wonderful. When someone tastes our products, I really want them to have this feeling that they can taste the freshness, they can taste the quality ingredients. This business has been multi-generational since day one. Myself, my husband, our children, my mom have been a part of it, really hoping that it continues on in that direction as the business grows and ages, that future generations will want to be a part of it also.